Get to know the Focus products. Firstly, Focus software is designed for manufacturers, distributors, and retailers who want to use data to increase the value of their business. Our purpose is to make people feel good about data, so all our products are easy to use and people can get the information they need. Focus Analytics is the core solution. It delivers a powerful analytical capability that summarises and visualises complex information. The software helps turn your data into insights so you can make faster decisions. It's a cloud-based data analytics solution designed for the everyday user across a business, so executives, as well as people in sales, finance, operations, and IT, all use the software to help them add more value to their role. And with internal security restrictions, employee accounts can be set up so only they see the data that is relevant to them. What sets Focus Analytics apart is its ad hoc analysis layer, the grid. Unlike other tools, people can move from the Focus dashboard to underlying business data transactions. The user decides how much detail to see and in what format. The reasons why people love Focus Analytics are ultimately the simple self-service design, so anyone can perform in-depth data analysis. It also provides easy customization to suit your business needs. It's accessible from desktop or mobile interfaces. And finally, it's reliable integration with all major ERP and CRM systems, plus other data sources. In terms of our finance offering, we have Focus Financial Statements, which is dynamic financial reporting and analysis to eliminate static spreadsheets. This solution allows your finance team to share financial performance information across the business so people can manage their area's expenses and financial KPIs proactively. Data from your ERP is fed directly into Focus Financial Statements, leaving the ERP data intact to ensure ledger data integrity. Financial statements, including profit and loss, balance sheet, and cash flows, can be customised. The benefits users have with Focus Financial Statements include time savings for finance, fast and easy monthly reporting, consolidations, comparisons, and customisations. The solution also reduces maintenance and rework of static spreadsheets, and discrepancies between teams resolve faster with a single source of truth. Our Focus Budgeting and Forecasting solution is a user-friendly financial budget planning and forecasting solution. It helps finance teams keep track of budget plans in the cloud from anywhere at any time. A workflow-driven approach allows multiple stakeholders to collaborate securely in real time for accurate budgets. Interactive forecasting capabilities allow business leaders to reforecast estimates easily during the budget period or prepare a rolling forecast to keep pace with market conditions. Benefits of Focus Budgeting and Forecasting include familiarity of Excel in both look and feel, but with data integrity and safe company-wide collaboration, the detailed driver-based planning, and the ability to model multiple scenarios. It's worth noting that the financial statement solution and Focus Budgeting and Forecasting work in tandem, and you need to start with our core solution so you can access all your data and build statements and budgets in the live environment. If you'd like to learn more about our solutions, visit our website at focussoftware.com. or head to focussoftware.com/book-demo to request a personalised demonstration for your business. We look forward to helping you feel good about your data.